Mom, I hot. You fix, please? Ah, you start the vacuum cleaner. That no help, no. I start to feel less hot. Less hot. It's very nice. Get your hair out of my face and get out of the way. Move. Thank you. I feel less hot, feel better, less cranky. Oh, I think I can sleep. Oh, yes. Sleep. Thank you, Mom. But that's a big noisy machine, right? Interesting. Okay, maybe all big noisy machines aren't so bad. Thank you, Eileen. Thank you, Tony.